بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you are ready for exercise 1C. Therefore, I am here to guide you. Now open page number 14 and look at question number 1. Count 10,000. Count 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones to fill in the blanks. Student, place value chart is given to you. Count ones. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. How many ones? 5 ones. Look down to tens. How many tens are there? Yes, 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. How many tens are there? 4 tens. And 4 tens make 40. Come to hundreds place. How many hundreds are there? Yes, there is just 100. Come to thousands place. There are 4 thousands. How many? 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and 4,000. How many thousands are there? In thousands place, there are 4 thousands in thousands place. And come to 10,000s place. There is just one time 10,000 in 10,000 place. Now look down to part A. You will complete these blanks with the help of this place value chart. Now look, how many 10,000s are there? There is just one 10,000. How many? One 10,000. So fill the blank with spelling 1, O-N-E-1. Another one, B. You will fill this blank by yourself. I am just guiding you. How many thousands? 4 thousands. You will write here 4. Now look part C. How many hundreds? There is just 100. Look at D part. How many tens? There are 4 tens. 4 tens and ones are how many? 5 ones. Now very good. You will do it by yourself. Okay students. Question 2 is, what does each digit stand for in the given number? For question 2, I have a short activity for you. Now look, the first one number, that is 24,921. Okay, now students look, 921 is separated in hundreds place by putting comma with thousands. Now look here, there are 5-digit numbers. 921 is in hundreds place and 24 is in thousands place, and both the numbers are separated, both the place values are separated with putting comma. Now look, what is the place value of 1 here in hundreds? There is just ones. 1 is in ones place. The place value of 2 is 2 tens here, and 2 tens make 20. Look students, 2 place value is there? There is just one digit. You will write 2 and how many digits are there? Just one, so you will put just 1 0. It will make 20. Now look, what is the place value of 9 here? 9 place value is 900. How? Look, you will write 9 and you will count how many digits are after 9. There are just 2 digits after 9. So you will put 0 in ones and 0 in tens, and then you will write just 9 in hundreds place. It will come 900. After 9s are 2 digits. Instead of 2 digits, you will write 2 zeros with 9. It will become 900. Now students, it's a turn of thousands. We reach to the thousands place. So the value of 4 is here, 4 thousands. Now how will you write 4000? You will write just 4, and how many digits are after 4 you will count. 1, 2, 3, and instead of these 3 digits you will write just 3 zeros. Instead of 10 you write 0. Instead of ones you write 0. Instead of tens you write 0. Instead of 9 you write 0. You wrote here 3 zeros, and you will write here 4. So it will make 4000s, and we will separate these 3 zeros with this 4 with the help of comma. Now it's turn of 10,000s. In 10,000s we have 2. 2's place value is 10,000. So we have 2 times 10,000s here, and 2 times 10,000s make 20,000. How will you write with 0? Now look at 2. After 2 there are 4 digits. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Instead of 1 write 0. Instead of tens write 0. Instead of 9 or 100, 900 write 0. Instead of 4 write 0 here. Instead of ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, put 4 zeros here, and 2 will come down. So it will make 20,000s. Look here, after 2 there are 4 different digits, but here after 2 you will write just zeros, and separate these 3 zeros of hundreds place with comma, with thousands place. Now students, look to this activity. You can also do this activity at home, enjoy it, and come to the book. Students, I am sure now it is easy to solve this question number 2 by self. Now look here, 24921, which I have done in activity for you. 1 stand for 1, 2 stand for 20, 9 stands for 900, 4 stand for 4000 and 2 stand for 20,000. Now come to B part. This will you do by yourself. Now question number 3, look. Complete the following. First one is done for you. Do you know what is the standard form? Standard form is just like this. You will not separate them. You will not put zeros. And you will not write ones, tens, hundred, thousands separately. This is called standard form, and this is expanded form. When you separate or open the number in expanded form, you will separate it like this. Look, 21,168. So instead of 8 you will write just 8 because there is no any number after 8 and it is in ones. Look at 6. You will write 6 and after 6 how many digits are there? Just 1. So you will put 1 0. It will make 60 and 6 tens means 60. Look to 100. 1 is here. 100 place value. The one place value is 100 here. So you will write 100. Look after 1, how many digits are there? There are just 2 digits, 6 and 8. So instead of 6 and 8, you will put just 2 zeros. It will make 100. Look here to this one. This is in thousands place and it means 1000. So you will put 1 and after 1, how many digits are there? 3. You will put 3 zeros and 1000 means just 1000. After this, look to 20,000. You will write 2 and instead of these digits, 4 digits, you will put just 0. Automatically you will look 20,000. Okay? 20,000. Look after 2 there are 4 zeros and it is separated with the help of comma. These 3 zeros are of hundreds and these 2 are of thousand. Therefore, it is 20,000. So look 20,000, 1,000, 100, 60 and 8. This is expanded form. Now look, I am doing another for you and C and D part you will do with yourself. I hope students you will learn it better and it's your time of homework. Now listen, you will write question number 1, 2, 3 of page 14 in neat notebooks. Allah Hafiz, take care.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.